The Grabber family of push blocks from Milescraft offer a wide range of options for all your workshop safety needs. Whether you have the original Grabber, the GrabberPLUS, or the GrabberPRO, each was designed with user safety, comfort, and performance in mind. Each model has a high-friction diamond grip coating on the base to guarantee maximum contact and control with your workpiece. The angled ergonomic handles are heavy-duty and help provide maximum control and keep your hands safely away from the blade. The handle design also helps provide the ideal amount of downward, inward, and forward pressure while working with your material. The Grabber offers a classic push block safety solution. It can be used in any workshop application where more control and grip are required and your workpiece is clear of the cutting tool. With the GrabberPLUS, extra control is added with the addition of a spring-loaded retractable heel. This allows the Grabber to contact the end of your workpiece and provide extra forward pressure through your cut. Lock the heel in place in a retracted position with the turn of a knob when not needed, or leave it loose and it automatically will retract when used mid-board. For maximum control and adaptability, the GrabberPRO has all the features of the others and more. The vertical design allows this GrabberPRO to pass over the saw blade, allowing you to make cuts as thin as 1/8 inch while safely gliding over the blade. The legs on the GrabberPRO are adjustable, allowing you to customize its setup for any cut. Whether you're a novice, a hobbyist, or a pro, the Grabber family of workshop safety products has a push block solution perfect for any project. Milescraft, always the better idea.